Does your small business need to worry about its SEO efforts? The answer is, of course it does. Whether you're a one-person shop or a giant company, focusing on your SEO efforts can help your company out. However, that doesn't mean that it's the main digital marketing service that you should focus on. But if you're on YouTube looking for SEO advice, I'm going to take a guess and say that you're thinking this is going to be helpful. So let's see what kind of benefits we can get from focusing on SEO for your small business, and also some of the cons that we need to look out for. First things first, what are some of the other options out there? Well, in 2024, I would be remiss to not mention social media marketing. It usually takes a long time to build a following, and even then it can be hard to sell to them directly on the platforms. However, for some industries, this could be the best way to build engagement, so you definitely don't want to sleep on it. Make sure you do your homework. Another option that's out there are paid ads. For Google ads, these are typically shortened as PPC or pay per click ads. These can actually be a great option in the early days for a business as long as you have a little bit of money to spend. However, you should think about it like a faucet. When you turn it on, you can get results, and when you turn it off, the results immediately disappear. Also, if you're not careful to optimize your campaigns, there's a chance you might spend all this money and get no results for it. And that's no fun. In comes SEO or search engine optimization. The SE stands for search engines, but we know it's really Google. Over 90% of online searches go through Google, and all the other search engines are trying to copy their algorithm. And the O stands for optimization, but I think it should stand for manipulation. But people don't like that word, so we're going to say influencing. We want to influence Google to show our small business higher than our competitors because, we want to take them down. Because we offer a better service than our competitors. Now, one of the biggest cons of SEO is that it takes time. Google rewards activity over time. If you're a new business, should you be focusing on your SEO? Absolutely. If you're an established business, should you be focusing on your SEO? Absolutely. But if you're a brand new business showing up on the internet, it's going to take time to get results. And if you've not been focusing on your SEO, it's also going to take time to get results. But one of the great benefits of SEO is that as you start to see results, they tend to compound and they tend to stick. I want to highlight some results from one of my clients right here. I have an SEO agency where I focus on local SEO, which is a special type of SEO that's focused on helping people get clients in their area. And this is around the time we launched the website. So we saw a little boost, but over time, slowly but surely, we go up and to the right. That's the kind of results you can expect to see from SEO. And if I turn the clicks on too, you can see they're getting plenty of traffic to their site. And I can tell you that when we launched the website, their shop was pretty much empty. And now the shop is full, they have helpers, and the business is really growing. Does that sound like the kind of results you're looking to get from your digital marketing efforts? So how do you win the SEO game? Well, if you're like most business owners, you're probably looking to get more sales, more clients, more customers, more patients, whatever you call them. You'd love to have some more of those. But before that, they have to become leads. Typically, in the online world, we get leads through contact form submissions and through phone calls. Before they're leads, they have to get to our website. Before they get to our website, they have to see us in Google. And before they see us in Google, we have to show up on Google. And particularly, we have to show up pretty dang high. Check out this cool graphic I found. According to First Page Sage, almost 40% of searches stop with the very first result, nearly 20 with the second, and almost 10 with the third. In fact, some of the other data I saw showed that fewer than 1% of people make it to the second page of Google, and yes, pages are back on Google. The point of SEO should be to get you to rank as high as possible for as many keywords as possible. Now, you don't want to go crazy. You want to find the specific keywords that people are searching for on their way to finding your business. That's how you win the game. Now, this video is part of a series called Small Biz SEO Basics, and we're just getting started. And so be sure to look around on YouTube, wherever they're showing the other videos, and check out the playlist and watch some more of the videos so that way you can learn more about what you need to do for your small business's SEO success. I also have a weekly email newsletter where I drop SEO tips straight in your inbox that's completely free, link below. And be sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of the future videos. And once you get done hitting that like button, why don't you check out this video right here, which is the next video in the series. I'll catch you in that one.